Well, Mark, we've got it all done, mate, all finished. I'm absolutely wrapped of how it come up. Here is that full front now on the over the front toolbox and kitchen area. It's come up a treat, mate. We've got it all tidied up, all nice and neat in that corner. Very little water, maybe a drip or two, but she's nice. It's hard to get them perfect on any van, but I'm pretty happy with how tight that's come up. Obviously, minimal pole setup, curved rafters in the middle of that, just to ensure that it's got plenty of waterfall. And you might also see that we have these halfway point eyelet tags all over the awning. That gives it another place in really strong winds to be able to anchor it down. Okay, so this storm shades wall, it's got so many flexible ways to set it up. This front wall at the moment is double rolled up, so that's the cover and the shade are rolled up. Perfect for during the day when they're moving around and doing their cooking and accessing these hatches. And at the back here at the moment, there's that really big skylight at the top. That's what we call our light master gable. So even when it's all zipped up and dark, like on the right-hand side of the shot at the moment, when all walls are down, these skylights give great light. At the moment, the end is half shade and obviously full roll up on the covers. So that just adds some flexibility to how you can use it. And we've got the one long shade here with the cover in two pieces, one up, one down. You can also pull those covers out to create like a roof effect similar to the front. Mate, I'm wrapped. As I showed you this morning, the skirt come all the way through, and we've now tidied up the top corner and close that right up, and ideally get that Velcro addition into your design for future ones. I'm just going to take it to the outside. You'll see we've just kind of wrapped that round a pole that's in behind that vinyl at the moment. Anti-flap kits coming down the awning, attaching the wall kit on. Our signature weather pelmets here so that we can hide those rolls and also stop the leaves and water getting on there. Really practical. Leather trim on all the outside Velcros for nice aesthetic look, but also durability long term in the sun. And any eyelet that we've used on the flaps or on the annex anywhere is stainless steel, mate. This high quality mesh screen, it's very private. If those lights went on right now, you wouldn't be able to see into it, but it's a really clear vision out. Also rocking the weather pelmets on the front here to keep everything tucked away and looking good. But mate, that's it. I think it's come up a treat. I think it's going to look great at the show, and your vision owners will absolutely love this, I reckon, giving them this really practical weatherproof space now on the outside. Really keen to hear your feedback, mate, but I'm stoked with it. Speak to you soon.